In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from QuickBooks to Excel. This is a very simple process, and once you know where to click, you can save almost any report from QuickBooks into an Excel file in just a few moments. Exporting reports to Excel is especially useful if you want to do additional analysis, reorganize the data, share it with someone else, or keep a copy outside of QuickBooks. To get started, look to the menu on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks screen and click on Reports. This will take you to the Reports section where you can browse available reports or open the specific one you want to work with. Go ahead and run the report you want to export to Excel. Make sure you're opening the exact report you need, since this is the version that will be downloaded. Once the report is open, you have the option to customize it before exporting. This is an important step because any adjustments you make now can help ensure the exported file includes the information you actually want. For example, you may want to change the date range, filter certain data, or adjust the layout so the report is easier to review later in Excel. Take a moment here to set the report up the way you want it. After you've finished customizing the report, move to the top of the report page. There you'll see an Export button. This is the option that allows you to download the report into another format. Click the Export button and then select Export to Excel. As soon as you do that, the download for the report will begin immediately. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight into your Downloads folder, or you may see it appear at the bottom of your browser window so you can open it right away. Once the download is complete, you can open the file in Excel and start working with your report there. If you don't see the file right away, check your computer's default downloads location first, and that's all it takes. Open Reports from the left menu, run the report you want, customize it if needed, click Export at the top, and choose Export to Excel. It's a quick and easy way to move your QuickBooks data into a spreadsheet for further use.